Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to melt your lace. If you would love for your lace to look like this, then stay tuned. I'm going to need, have to apologize you guys. My pants were unzipped, but that's not my underwear. I actually have on a bodysuit, so that's the bottom part of it. But you're going to need your developer, a bowl, you're going to need a brush, your wig. And you're going to stir it till it gets to like a thick consistency, and then you're going to start applying it onto the lace. Make sure that it's inside out when you're doing it. And you want to pat it all over it. You don't want to push it through the lace. You want to just pat it on there. I know it's at an angle, but you'll see the whole thing. See? Just tap it on there. Don't brush it. I let it sit for like 20 minutes, and now I'm washing it out. I use neutralizing shampoo. It's going to turn pink. See, it's turning pink. That means it's washed out good. I'm going to start with the conditioner. You can use whichever conditioner you like. And here I am plucking my lace. I just parted like a baby hairline, and I just started plucking behind that line. See how natural that hairline looks? It's not supposed to be thick and bulky in the front. Now I'm going to blow dry the wig, and I made sure I sprayed my heat protectant on it. I'm going to lay my edges down with the Got2b glue. I'm going to blow dry. Now I'm going to apply my foundation onto the lace using a sponge. Make sure that your foundation matches your actual skin tone. And I have a little foundation in my hair, FYI. I'm going to cut my lace in the middle just so it's easier. It's easier going this way than going side to side, and I'm going to cut it not straight across, but I'm going to make like little jagged lines, if that makes any sense. I'll do the same thing that I did on the opposite side, but make sure that you're not cutting the hair and the hair is out of the way. Alright, now I'm going to take some alcohol, and you can use a cotton prep or a towel like I did, and I'm going to wipe around the perimeter, the part that the frontal will be laying on before I apply the glue. Please make sure that you do not skip this step, because if you do, your frontal is going to be, coming up. It's not going to lay flat long because the oils out of your skin is mixing. And I'm using a GHOSTBOND glue, by the way. Never use your finger because you have things on your finger, oils and dirts. Just use like a rat tail, a popsicle stick, whatever. And I'm going to apply 2 layers. I'm going to blow dry it. I got a little impatient and didn't wait for it to get tacky. Tacky as it was supposed to be. Yeah, a little tacky. When you're laying the lace, make sure it doesn't have any lumps in it or folds. And I did tap the comb where the glue is laying to kind of make sure that it's gonna stick. It's not through drying. So I'm gonna apply my scarf and I'm gonna blow dry off camera for about 15 minutes. And this is how it looks. I couldn't figure out what I wanted to do with my hair. I wanted a ponytail 1 minute, then I wanted a left part for a minute, then I wanted a right part. Then I wanted a bob. It's just a mess. And this can be parted anywhere in the front. I'm going to make this my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And don't forget to share. Thanks for watching.